Kasi kung titingnan mo yung meta ads, halos automated na. The targeting, the placements, the delivery, optimization, parang ang ginagawa ng system is halos lahat na. The system does it faster. So, ang tanong, kung ginagawa na ng AI, yung dati nating trabaho, ano na yung value ang meron ang isang media buyer ngayon? For me, nag-shift na kasi. Hindi na tayo yung taong button clicker na nagmamanual targeting, nagmamanual placements, optimization, and so forth. And ang role lang natin ngayon is less about control and more about interpretation. So, hindi mo kontrolado lahat, but ikaw yung nag-iintindi bakit ganito yung nangyayari. And clients don't really care kung anong campaign structure mo. What they want is the clarity. Gusto nilang maintindihan kung bakit ba bumagsak yung ads, bakit may isang ad na biglang kumain ng budget. Kailangan alam mo how to interpret that data. Ikaw yung makakaintindi nun. Client, gusto niya ng direct interpretation or explanation. Bakit ganito yung naging performance ng ads na to? The system can decide the delivery pero hindi niya kaya explain yung story behind it in a way na maiintindihan ng tao. Ngayon, ang trabaho ng media buyer is to read the patterns, to notice when something feels off, even if the numbers look okay, and to know when to not touch the account again. Another big part is the creative judgment. Kahit automated na yung delivery, kailangan pa rin ng human intuition para magsabi, okay, this creative is fatiguing, or this message or ad copy doesn't make sense at all. The system reacts fast, and ikaw yung magbibigay ng direction dito. So your value now is thinking and not for just clicking. Tayo din yung nag-act more like the translators. Tinatranslate mo yung ginagawa ng AI into something client understand. Kasi from the client's point of view, results just happen or don't. They don't see the complexity behind it. And if dati, media buying was just about the execution, ngayon, mas about na sa decision-making under uncertainty. So again, automation removes the shallow roles but didn't remove the media buyers. Yung value ngayon nasa thinking na and not clicking. And once you accept that, mas nagiging clear kung bakit kailangan mag-evolve yung role natin. Hindi para makipagkompetensya sa AI, kundi para punan yung gap na hindi kayang gawin ng system, which is the understanding, the judgment, and the communication with the client. Comment part 2 if you would like to have a part 2 of this one.